I think we're back online. Get card. Okay. Query. From card template. Select from. I gotta look in the database. What's going on here? Card. Voodoo magic hacking the stream. I know. I'm gonna have to stop restreaming to myself because I like to watch my own stream to make sure it's working, but I can't afford that right now, apparently. All right. How many enemies have I made in the past week? Everybody, man. Everyone wants my proto buff definitions. All right. Card template, okay. I should have a card in here somewhere. Maybe. Maybe not. What does this look like? Basic attack card, leather boots. Unit template ID, card enum. Okay. But I have a tag card template. How does this all figure in together again? ID 121. Do they match? I guess so. Interesting. Okay. I like to watch my own streams, you know. I just want to make sure that my stream is even streaming on Twitch. I just have my stream up here. See what I'm saying? You know what? Fine. Okay. Get the card from database using the card ID. Okay. Right. Okay. Fair enough. I think I can do something like select from card template, join. Oh, it depends though. Dang it. I think I can reuse the function because can I reuse this function? Fetch cards associated with the unit. You know what? I'm just gonna rewrite it. Okay. So first I have to get the card template. Select from card template where ID equals that. Is this card ID? There we go. Okay. Query card ID. Row. Hopefully Kopai can do this for me. Have the row. Query row. Okay, I'm doing this. I think I'm doing this all wrong. Okay, and then we'll do return something. Let's see. I guess the return type should be deck dot card proto or an error. And then I'll just do nil. Can I use nil as a type? No? What can I do then? Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, it's doing the scan at the same time over here. Okay. Let's just do var card dot scan. It's been like a second since I've been doing this Golang stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's try that. That looks good. Okay, cool. Let me make this longer. I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. Now, so the first thing we do in here is first get the base card. And then get the specific card. Because, like, it could either be an attack card or a movement card. But I don't know that until I query the row here and it tells me. Until it tells me what the heck it is. So let's go ahead and do that. If it's on, the type is actually attack card. Okay. Actually, did I do this right up here? Oh my gosh, this is all wrong actually. Okay, this is supposed to be attack card. How was it even working before? I don't even know. Movement card. Okay. I should probably redesign this better. Maybe. Possibly. Mismatch type stream and is card proto card type. Attack? Card type? Oh, wait a second. What am I doing up here? Card type. Doing a string conversion. What the heck's going on here? Get available units? Black Hater T for the stream. I don't have that on. This is just a sweater, I guess. I don't know what this is. I'm thinking I royally am not doing this in a good way. I should convert this part into a function. Let's do something like function get cards type. And then we just do over here, we'll just replace this. Whoa, what the heck was that? Card type. This one? As a type, deck card type. Cannot use pointer as a type. No new variables. Okay. How about that? And then that? No? Cannot use it takes in a string and returns a card type. Okay, how about I choose something like that should work. What a second. Get card type, takes a string, turns the card type. Maybe I gotta do something like this? No way. Okay, let's just use ChatGPT. Just put me out of my misery. They're using value of type card.type as if it were of type. Create a pointer to the card type value. Now you can use the card pointer as a pointer to the card type. Okay. Oh, I think I get it. I think I sort of get it. Maybe. Thanks for the Oni-chan, Ghost. Just an hour or two or at 15-minute mark, a stream keeps crashing. Fans scammed. Did you not hear the sound alerts? Did they not go through? I heard them, but oh yeah, it's only on monitor only mode. Dang it. Okay, hold up. Why isn't the desktop playing anything? I gotta find out why. I did hear the sound alerts. Why isn't the desktop audio playing? What is going on? Let's try. Oh, now you can hear the music too, huh? Alright, now we're gonna listen to music. I don't know if that's too loud. So you guys weren't even hearing the music. I've been jamming out by myself. Card type, okay. Card type 2. Let me just try this and see what this gives me. So this gives me, that's not an error, but it's an unused variable. And this is a pointer. Okay. So never knew you listened to music? Yeah, I've been listening to music this whole time. I've been listening to music by myself, man. Can I do something like this? Can I do something like this? I need an intermediate variable. Okay. Card type value. There we go. Maybe I could just have it return a pointer to a card type. Well, how about I just do this? Wait a second. Thanks for the Yoda death scream, Ghost. That was my favorite one. We'll do this instead. There we go. I get it. Nice. Thanks for letting me know that it wasn't working. We're slowly putting this stream together. Okay, I think I can reuse this code. Let's see. Get deck. For row cards. Maybe not. I get the unit. And then I get the row cards. I should be doing another query here. Where c.unit template ID. From card template C. Where c.unit template ID equals that. Okay, I'm just not gonna mess with that, I guess. Movement card, attack card. Okay. Let's just rewrite it. We'll do switch on card.card type. Card type. So let's see. I think is the card type a string? It is because it's from the database. Okay. But that doesn't make any sense because I need a separate variable, I think. Let's see. Let's do card type string. Oops, var card type string. And then this is gonna throw an error, so I have to turn this into that. Okay. And then I can do card type equals get card type. Is card proto card type? Dang, these types are destroying me. One of card type. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. What am I doing? This returns a deck.card type attack. Deck.card type. Switch on the card type. Case. Okay. Let me look at my pro buff definitions real quick. Has it really been that long? Because I barely remember doing any of this stuff. Okay. So I guess I have an enum defined somewhere, I hope. In the deck. In the deck. I got card backs. I got card type. Oh. I don't even know if I want to do it that way. I'm about to refactor this whole thing. And then forget about it and then refactor it again. I gotta think about this for a second. Do I really need this enum? I wish the one of thing would tell me stuff. Card proto. Wait, let's do card proto. Can I switch on? Dang. This one of syntaxes is wrecking me. It's a weird thing. One of card type. There's not really a type. It's a one of. Alright, let's just roll with it for now. Go back. Switch on that enum. Sure. Okay. So then we get the attack card. Yep. Okay. What's ACT? Tag card template? Where ACT.ID? What? It's the name of the table? No. Oh, it's an alias. Okay. All right, let's just get it out there. Let's just knock this out if we can. Okay. And then we're gonna do another case. The movement card. Turn error. Okay. First get the base card. Why is this whole thing red? Let me see. Missing a return statement. Okay. Make sure we handle the errors. And then we're gonna return card or nil. Return copies of log value, which is sync locker. Okay, I have no idea about that. Let's ask ChatGPT. I want to return that. Maybe it's supposed to return... Maybe I should return a pointer instead. Oh, yeah. Okay. That makes more sense. Then I can just type nil here. This needs to be a pointer. Can I do that? That worked. Okay, cool. Okay, nice. This should give me what I need. But I also need to get the owner of the card. Is it possible to get the owner? I think the card template ID has an owner. Has a unit template ID. So if I want to verify ownership, I need the... Got the unit. The unit has the deck ID. And what's the unit deck? Account ID and ID and the deck name. Ooh, I gotta do a lot of joins in this table to figure out who the owner of this card is. Okay. In that case, so be it. I gotta join like 4 tables. That sounds really inefficient. Okay, well, the unit has a deck ID it belongs to, and the deck has the account ID. Okay, we can do it. We can do it. I just need to do my proto buffs. In the request, we have to include... Actually, we don't need the player ID. I don't know what I'm doing. We need the game ID and the card ID. Can I write comments here? Verify the players in the game. Verify the player has this card. And then unit proto. Maybe just unit ID. N64 unit ID. And the unit has this card. Verify the unit has this card. Verify the unit has this player. Verify the player has this unit. Okay. Those are the steps. Those are quite the steps. Do model, let's do deck model dot get card. What's wrong with this? Unhandled error? Okay. Card error. Get the unit from the database using the unit ID. So I need a get unit function. Get unit. unit ID, int 64. Dude, no. Actually, it's got to return a unit proto and an error. The query is going to be select from unit board, and then alright. Unit template ID. But actually, I want to join the deck. Get the unit, join the deck with the deck ID, then join the unit deck with the count ID. I can do that in one query, right? Can I just do this? And unit join unit deck? No, wait. Yeah. And then another join account. So I have to include the account here. What's the data type on that? Integer? The heck's an integer? Is that an int32 or int64? Not the include. Let's do. Whoops. Unit ID and then count ID. Int32. Okay. I need to pass in. How do I pass this in and Golang safely? Let me see. I safely pass in the account ID in this query from the parameter. parameterized queries. Open? Question mark. Join where how am I doing it up here? Oh, I'm doing these things. That's right. Okay. Got it. Okay. So we're gonna do $1 where $sign number 2. All right. I think that makes sense. NID equals 1. ID equals 2. Does that make sense? I just have to make sure that you know what? Okay. Let's forget about that. And I don't need to do where, but I can just do it like that. Verify the account ID. Is the account ID. If account ID does not equal, oh, I gotta do the query first. Let's see. What is this gonna return anyway? So I'm gonna need bar unit proto. And then unit deck. Okay, let's do unit deck proto. Wait a second. The unit deck has basically you just need the account ID. Right, okay. Unit account ID. This query everything isn't gonna fly, huh? Oh snaps, it's gonna give the It's gonna give tons of stuff. It's a huge join. Okay, first let's just get the unit proto stuff. So let's do unit. Whoa, what's all that? Too much. We do need account ID from the account. So it's gonna be like account. Unit template ID. Okay. Error cream for unit. Account ID does not belong to unit. Then we're gonna return nil and an error. This should be a pointer. Okay. Oh snap! Hey Chrono Zero. Thanks for the raid. How you doing? What were you guys streaming? The cronies are here. Stream's going. Dang, I just realized I suck at SQL. But I'm glad you guys joined after I finished sucking with SQL. Or squeal, or whatever, however you say it. Trying to chase down some parameter issues in MLflow, but still can't figure it out. Dang, dude. Just set a breakpoint or something. I don't know. Know what I'm saying? SQL's your wheelhouse? Dang. Where were you like an hour ago? Where I was trying to like... It took me so long to figure out this stupid query because I had to join two tables and then my brain... If I have to join more than one table, or if I even have to join one table, I think my brain just like exits the simulation. Probably eyeball deep in MLflow docs. Dang, that's the life, you know. Who doesn't want to be balls deep in the MLflow docs? I know I do. But yeah, thanks again for the raid. I'll give you a shout out, even though the people that will see the shout out are basically the people that you just brought into here. But you know what? That's not gonna stop me. Don't forget to follow Chrono. Oh, no problem. It ain't much, but it's honest work, you know? So, do you guys want to see the game I'm making or what? I don't even know if this will compile right now. Hold up. Let me get this to compile, actually. I think I can get it to compile. No new variables on the left side. Okay. So, it's giving all that. Let's just return... Wait. Can I return the unit? Nice. Okay, let's get this compiled. We go here, and right now I'm just making like database queries for my video game. So this query I just finished sort of writing, but it just gets the unit from the database because the database has the units of the player that the player owns. And this took me a second because I had to verify that the player actually owns that unit. I can't just have people grabbing units. And okay, here just playing the card. Got claims. Get the card from the database. Sure. Done stuff. Okay. If I try to compile this right now. Okay, I think to get around. Dang it. I want to show you guys a game. I'll just comment this all out for a second. Know what I'm saying? Okay, let's see if this compiles. Run it. I have help. We're building it. In the meantime, we got Unity over here. And I think Unity is good to go. Okay. So this is a backend server. It's written in Golang. And I'm just writing remote procedural calls. Because I want this game to be like multiplayer online. And I'm like being pretty ambitious with that. Okay, sweet. That compiled. So we can start the game. Theoretically. Username Bob, password 123. Don't steal my password. Alright, so you're in the lobby. And then it's like a deck builder kind of game. So you go to deck builder. And right now, this is like a weird twist to a deck builder where you choose which units you want. And then you get cards based on the units you choose. So I got these 3 waifus as my units that I want to play because I only have 3 so far in the game. And then you save the deck, sure. You go back, you join the game. You can create a room, but I got this room open already, so I'm just gonna enter that. It sends you into a cool little chat room. Sup. You can talk to people in the lobby. But once everyone readies up, you'll see when they are ready up, they got the check mark, and then you start the game. Then you enter this little board game thing I got. So here's the game. It's like a turn-based. It's like a card game, except you also have a grid in the situation, like a board style grid. So it's like Hearthstone and I don't know, like some grid game. It's like Hearthstone and chess had a baby, and then that baby was cracked with waifus or something. So you have cards, and you use the cards to move your dudes and attack. So I'll just like move around. I'm in like single player mode, so I'm both players. It's like mainly for testing. So the goal is just to kill the other person's units, and you do that with the cards you get. So like I have a firebolt. This character, her name's Mina, and she can shoot firebolts at people. So I just click on the card. It gives me the range of the spell, and like you just click on, and I straight up firebolt her, and then her life went down, and then it's fun times. And so yeah, basically that's the gameplay. You take turns. I haven't decided like on how many cards you're allowed to play in a single turn, or if I should like add like a cost to the cards or something. It's still pretty early in development, so we're thinking it through. It should be cool. But yeah, that's basically that. My name is Simul Shift, and I like to make games for fun. And basically that's that. And actually, yeah, no worries. And actually, I was just about to like wrap up the stream here. So I guess we could just raid somebody else. We could just raid, we could just have the gift keep on giving. Man, that SQL query took everything out of me. It took my whole being to get that one. Okay. But yeah, so now we can go on a raid train. Have you been doing well, Chrono? How have you been so far? Who should we raid? Bacon programming language. That sounds fun. Dang, he looks successful. Game dev, post jam. Oh yeah, there's like a game jam with pirate software or something. Imagine surviving. Nice. That's what I want to hear. Yeah, I think I'm about to go to bed too. What's this? That doesn't look like development. That looks like some dude's crotch. Man, I have no idea. Game dev, good old coin, monster mayhem, epic quests. All right, let me just do like Unity. Community? No, not about community. Who is doing Unity? I think I'll just raid Mercenary Mage. He's actually making a game that's kind of similar to me, but his game is like a lot. He's like actually a game, making a real game for the company or whatever. So it's actually an actual game, you know? But thank you for the raid. Feel free to follow, you know, just, you know, click that button. If you have, you know, just put your finger on the mouse. No big deal. I won't tell nobody. Click the button. All right. Ken, you don't gotta do anything. You can do whatever you want. Okay, let me raid the Mercenary Mage. But it would be cool to see you guys again. All right. Start that raid. All right. Good night, my friends. Have a good one. This is the Simul Shift. Did the raid go through? I don't even know if it went through. Did Twitch die on me?
The new Red Bull Sea Blue edition with the taste of Juneberry.
Oh, what the heck? That raid didn't even work, did it? Oh man, I got scammed. Let me try again.
Go to the fallen down page.
Mercenary Mage.
On here about the demo coming soon.
Okay, let's just try again.
I can't see it because I already technically own it. I think is what's going on. But our demo page should be visible to the public. I'm just gonna verify that real quick in Steamworks. Demo is currently listed on Steam as an upcoming title. Yeah. Can someone verify that they see it? Hey, Single Ship, how you doing? How's it going? Thanks for the raid. What's going on?